This video sponsored by Value Testers. Great promo offer on Testo, Fieldpiece, and Bacharach. Free 2-day shipping on purchase of $200 or more on selected seasonal testing equipment. Link in description below. This video sponsored by Interplay Learning. Simulation-based step-by-step service testing procedures. Beginning to advanced courses available. A fun and entertaining way to advance your skills. Limited time discount. Link and promo code in description below. Morning guys, it is February 19th, 2019. This one here, I got a call for no heat on the second floor. I know this lady's got first company units, and the one in the attic, sometimes it gets airbound up there, or might be a problem with the feeder. I know that there's no antifreeze in the system, because I've talked about putting antifreeze in the system. He didn't want to. So it's cold out. It might have froze up. I'm not sure. She says the thermostat's on the second floor, and it don't run a lot because the heat from the first floor goes up there. So I don't know. Hopefully it just needs to be purged. Hope it's not a freeze up. It's cold out. Last night was probably 15 degrees, so anyway, I'm going over there now. Hopefully I get a flow through that zone. I don't think it'd be frozen. It's not. Hopefully it's not frozen. Got the heater on, Molly. I got the heater on. Sometimes what happens, the feeder gets stuck on these things, and you know, it gets air up on that zone. It's set for 62. Can hear it running, so it must be airbound or frozen, one of the two. We'll get my hose and we'll go right out there with it. We'll see if it's frozen. Hope not. Probably just got air in it. That's the upper floor. Still making a lot of noise. I'll get my hoses and we'll try it. Alright. I got the hose going outside. We'll shut these three off. There's two first company units down in the basement down here. There's one in the attic. The one in the attic, I hope it's not frozen. Nope, I don't think it's frozen. Might just been a little airbound. I'm hoping. take much, you know. We'll try that out. Boiler's off on limit right now. I could hear it definitely. You can hear the circulator. Let's give it a minute, see if it comes back warm. It's probably just ear-bound. Yeah, she's starting to come back warm now. Yeah, she's coming back warm now. Whoa. Yeah, whoa. She's coming back warm now. Whoa. Can't even touch it, that's all it was. So I just purged that second floor zone. I'm not too worried about the first floor ones because all the air will go to the second floor. The two first floor ones shouldn't be an issue. Upstairs, make sure it's working before I go. I got the flipping door off. It ain't gonna work so well like that. Alright, I got the door back on. There's no high vent up here. Should have a high vent up here. That's what they need. It's working. Got heat. Have to talk to him about that. The pipe's nice and warm. Fan's running. That's good. I'll leave it right there. Alright guys, I just left that job. I'm gonna talk to the guy about putting a high vent up in the attic up there. I mean, you put an automatic high vent up there, if any air gets in that, it'll relieve out that high vent. No, there is a drawback. Sometimes they leak, them high vents. It could flood the upstairs, but I think he'd probably be better off putting one on there. I'm gonna give the guy a call. I did purge the air, he's got heat now. And I'll talk to him about putting a high vent up there. You probably should put antifreeze in that system, at least some. but it's up to the homeowner. I was there probably 3-4 months ago, doing a cleaning on that thing, and I think I purged the air when I was there last time, 3-4 months ago. So it's just one of those systems where it seems like it just takes a little bit to get up there, and I mean, it won't circulate. Either that or it froze and slush type of stuff, and it just freed up when I got there. It's hard to say. Didn't seem like there was a lot of air in the lines, but it is definitely circulating. It's nice and toasty and heating the house now. Move on to the next job.